Before you even think about buying anything new, I want you to stop and take a good look at your closet. How many times have you stood there thinking, I have nothing to wear? I have some good news. You probably already own everything you need to create amazing outfits. And the problem isn't that you don't have enough clothes. Oftentimes, it's that you can't see what you have. Your wardrobe isn't organized in a way that makes getting dressed easy, or you've been stuck in the habit of wearing the same things the same way. Today, I'm going to help you shop your own closet, put outfits together you never considered, and give your wardrobe a new life, all without spending a single penny. By the end of this video, you'll have at least 5 outfits you've never worn before, and you'll feel completely re-inspired with your wardrobe. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's start shopping right inside your own closet. Why you're not shopping your own closet. I've helped so many women revamp their wardrobes. And the truth is, most of them already had great clothes. They just weren't wearing them. And there are a few big reasons for this. And if any of this sounds familiar, don't worry. We're going to fix them today. One reason is that your closet is too packed and you can't see what you actually have. If your clothes are crammed together and you're struggling just to pull things off the hanger, it's no wonder you end up wearing the same handful of things over and over. Another reason is your closet is messy or disorganized. If shoes are piled on the floor, sweaters stacked on top of each other, or things are just thrown onto shelves, it's easy to forget what you even own. The third reason is you organize by outfit, not by category. And this is something I see a lot. Maybe you have your blouses and pants already matched up into outfits, and then that's how they stay. You might think makes your life easier, but it actually limits you because it stops you from mixing and matching outfits in fresh ways. And finally, one of the biggest reasons women don't shop their own closets is that they have too many clothes that don't actually fit them today or don't fit their current lifestyle. Maybe you've been holding on to things that don't fit, waiting for that someday when they will. Or maybe your lifestyle has changed. You may no longer be working in an office every day, or you don't need as many formal clothes as you once did, but they're still taking up all that room in your closet. If any of this sounds like you, don't worry. I'm going to help you reset your closet, clear the distractions, and make getting dressed fun again. Step 1, make your closet work for you. The first step in shopping your own closet is making sure your closet is set up for success. If you can't see your clothes, you won't wear them. So we're going to start by creating a little breathing room in your closet. You don't need to do a full purge today, but I want you to quickly scan through and pull out anything that doesn't fit, anything you never wear, and anything you wouldn't buy again today, and set those aside for now. Next, let's talk about how your closet is organized. If you currently have things grouped by outfit, I want you to reorganize by category instead. Put all your blouses together, all your jeans together, all your dresses together, and so forth. This is going to help you see everything at a glance so you can start mixing and matching in new ways. And if your closet is messy, take a few moments to straighten it up. Fold your sweaters so you can actually see them. Arrange your shoes neatly and make sure you're giving your clothes some space to breathe. This closet reset is going to make shopping your closet so much easier. Step 2, we're going to find the hidden gems in our closet. Now that we've set the stage, let's start finding pieces in your closet that have been overlooked. I want you to go to your closet and pull out 5 to 10 items that you love but haven't worn in a while. Maybe it's a blouse you used to wear all the time but you forgot about, or a pair of pants that you haven't figured out how to style. Now that you have those 5 to 10 pieces, the next thing I want you to do is pull out your everyday basics. These are the go-to pieces that form the foundation of your wardrobe. Think of things like your favorite pair of jeans, a tailored blazer, a simple knit sweater, or a classic dress. These are the items that you'll be mixing and matching to create new outfits. And finally, I want you to grab one piece that you really love but never wear. Maybe it's a skirt that feels too dressy, or a patterned blouse that seems really hard to style. This is where we're going to have some fun and figure out how to work it into your everyday wardrobe. Step 3, creating new outfit combinations. Now let's start styling. The key to shopping your own closet is looking at your clothes in new ways. If you always wear a certain blouse with the same pair of pants, try switching it up. Tuck the blouse into a skirt instead. Layer a sweater over it so just the collar peeks out. Try rolling the sleeves or adding a belt to change the shape. And if you have a dress that you always save for special occasions, try dressing it down down. Add a denim jacket or a pair of flats and suddenly it's an everyday look. Take one piece and challenge yourself to style it in 3 different ways. If you have a structured blazer, try wearing it with jeans and a simple tee for a casual look, or pair it with tailored trousers for a polished look, or layer it over a dress to make it feel more versatile. The more you mix and match, the more you realize you have so many more outfit options than you thought. Step number 4, use accessories to elevate your outfits. Accessories are the quickest way to make an outfit feel new again. If you always wear the same shoes and jewelry with a particular outfit, switch them up. Add a belt to define your waist. Swap out a structured handbag for a fun clutch. Layer some delicate necklaces to make a simple sweater feel more styled. It's amazing how small changes can make a big difference in how your clothes feel. Now it's your turn. Go into your closet, find one piece you haven't worn in a while, and style it in a brand new way. Then tell me in the comments, what item did you rediscover? And if you want to take this even further, check out my 30 things to declutter from your closet video. It's the perfect first step before shopping your wardrobe. And if you'd like even more help on uncovering your style, shopping your closet, just knowing more about fashion in general, I invite you to join my Style Uncorked community. You'll get to meet lots of other like-minded ladies, have fun with fashion, and chat even deeper on the subject. And I'll link that in the description. Let me know what you're going to start on first. You know I love hearing from you. Stay gorgeous, and I'll see you in the next video.